You can easily drag and select multiple days to manage shifts. You can update multiple staff to the same shift simultaneously and save. If an employee is on leave, you can just select and change the shift to AL. Always remember to save, and the system updates the shift instantly. Say goodbye to messy paperwork. Approve or reject all overtime requests in just one click. You can also approve or reject OT applications individually for better control. You can check your employees' clock-in time in the system. Administrators can manually adjust and save times if corrections are needed. Click the map icon to view precise GPS locations for every clock-in and clock-out. The same applies to other employees. Just click the map to view their clock-in-out locations. You can generate comprehensive reports with full daily logs. Manual edits are highlighted in red for full transparency. You are allowed to add custom remarks such as OT for Project A and save them directly into the report. Once saved, the remark will appear in the attendance report. You can use visual reporting to get a clear overview of today's attendance data at a glance. You just need to open SQL Payroll, open Pending Payroll to import OT. Click on Overtime and select the import file that exported from InvoTIME. After selecting the file, click Finish, and the system will import the data into SQL Payroll. Once imported, review the data and click Save. You can then verify the imported data here, making it easier to double-check before processing payroll.